Representatives from the Meitei and Hmar communities of Jiribam district convened a crucial meeting yesterday at the Group Center, CRPF Dayapur, Kasar. The meeting held at 11 a.m. was moderated by the Jiribam district administration with key officials including the DC Jiribam, DIG CRPF Jiribam, Senior SP Jiribam, Commandant 39 Assam Rifles and Commandant 87 Battalion CRPF in attendance. The representatives of JDO Ajuka Ipsa, Harikon Jiribam, Liching HNU Mar Inpui, MPC and PTC attended the meeting. The discussions aim to address ongoing tensions and promote stability in the region. The meeting resulted in a series of agreements aimed at ensuring peace and cooperation. Both communities committed to making full efforts to restore normalcy and prevent any further incidents of arson and firing. An agreement was reached to extend full cooperation to all security forces operating in the area. Both sides agreed to facilitate control and coordinated movement within the district. It was decided that the next meeting will be scheduled post-August 15, 2024 to review progress and continue discussions.